Bacteria. Some are good and some are bad. And some are really bad. The really bad bugs can wreak havoc if they go untreated. In the mouth, between the teeth and gums, we have an ideal incubator for undetected bacteria to flourish. This area is warm, moist, and protected, since toothbrushes, floss, and rinses cannot reach down into these crevices. These bugs create communities called bacterial biofilms, and in the mouth, they can divide every 15 to 20 minutes. That means every 24 hours, we can have billions and billions of more bugs. Under the gum line, biofilms can be very destructive gum disease. Not only is gum disease the #1 cause of tooth loss, bad breath, sensitivity, and sore gums, it becomes even more insidious when these bacterial communities cause open wounds and get into the bloodstream. Scientists are studying the relationship between these bacteria and heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and other cardiovascular complications. Our office recommends a product that actually gets medication deep enough under the gum line to kill the bacteria that cause gum disease. The Perio Tray by PerioProtect is an FDA-cleared dental tray similar to a mouthguard that places medication under the gum line and holds it there long enough for a therapeutic effect. Perio trays are comfortably worn for minutes a day to deliver medications to the source of your infection. We recommend Perio trays to improve your health.